In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube API key, API ID, and secret key for a Kodi add-on. Whether you're setting up a new add-on or managing an existing project, these steps will guide you in creating the necessary credentials quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to console.cloud.google.com. This is the Google Cloud Console, where you manage your Google Cloud projects and resources. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Open Project. Selecting this will show you the projects you have access to. Next, you'll want to start a fresh project. Click on New Project to initiate this process. Naming your project is crucial as it helps you quickly identify it later. Choose a name that relates to your YouTube Kodi add-on for clarity. Once you've named your project, click Create to set it up. A short wait may be required as your project initializes. After your project is ready, you'll notice a notification bell in the console. Click it and select your newly created project. Ensure you are working within the right project by checking the project details displayed. If everything checks out, we can dive into setting up the API. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner and click on the hamburger icon, which opens the main menu. From there, select APIs and Services. This section allows you to manage API-related activities for your project. Go ahead and click on Library to find and enable the APIs you need. In the API library, locate YouTube Data API v3. Once you find it, click to open the details page. Here, you will see an Enable button. Click this to activate the YouTube Data API for your project. With the API enabled, you can now create the necessary credentials. Move over to the Credentials tab where you will generate the API key. Click on Create Credentials and choose API Key from the drop-down menu. Clicking Create will generate an API key for you. Secure this key carefully because it allows your Kodi add-on to interact with the YouTube API. You should now see the API key on your screen. Copy it. This key is crucial for integrating your Kodi add-on with YouTube, and it's necessary to access the YouTube services. Make sure you store it securely to prevent unauthorized access. And that's it. You've successfully created a YouTube API key, API ID, and secret key for your Kodi add-on. With these credentials, you can now explore the rich features available through the YouTube API. Thanks for following along, and happy coding.